Josh, we're just going to work around from the sill to the jamb to the head to put all the cover plates in. Little tap is all it takes. So that's in. We'll put the jamb cover plate in.
Yeah.
I've got that here. The cover plates do have numbers and they'll match a number inside the jamb. So it's just marrying them up and popping them in.
Yep.
Okay. So jamb cover plates going first. Okay, we're good there.
Woo! Keep going, keep going.
Actually, first we'll put the gummy buffle in.
Gummy
We
buffle.
almost forgot the gummy buffle.
Gummy buffle. Do you need
So-
caulking for that?
No, not this one. We are going to put the active door pad down the bottom. We have to seal that in.
Okay.
But this one just, you'll see a notch here
Yep.
with the fur.
Yep.
So the notch goes up into the head track,
Okay.
okay? And the fur faces the door, okay? So to pop that gummy buffle in, we'll just close the doors. Okay, if you want to come on the outside. All right, we're just going to close the door here. Okay. And it slides up straight into that channel.
This way or this way?
The fur, the pile goes against the door.
Got it.
So shove that right up there. The cover plate's going to cover the foam. So,
You got the cover plate? I'll pop that in too.
yeah, sure. Let's do that. Just pop in there. We're going to put this pad in down the bottom here.
Okay.
Okay.
These are sick doors, dude.
Yeah, they're great.
These are really good. I mean, there's a lot of steps,
Yep.
but they're worth it, man.
Yeah. Here's another pad. Notch in the foam goes in first. So what we're going to do, we're going to run some sealant down the bottom and then put this in. So the sealant's in. Notch goes in first and just presses in there.
Okay.
So it just adds another level of protection against water. Okay. Three more things.
Three more things.
Bull nose,
Bull nose,
adjustment hole plugs,
adjustment hole plugs,
and bumpers on the back of them.
and bumpers.
Yep. So really simple, they just press fit into the hole.
Okay.
Don't do that until your doors are adjusted perfectly. So let's put the bull nose on and then we'll put the bumpers on.
Okay.
Okay. So we have to run a seal in the corner
Yep.
before we put the bull nose on.
Great.
Okay.
I'm on it. Small bead, right?
Yep. Okay. You'll notice there's a small lip here.
Yep.
It actually hooks under the edge of the sill.
Yep.
And rotates in and snaps.
Great.
Okay. We do need to seal that corner where the bull nose meets the interlock.
Okay.
It is a weak point. Okay, so just wipe away any excess. Make sure it's down in that hole. So now your install screws sealed, and it's a much cleaner finish.
I think we got one step left.
Bumpers.
Bumpers.
Okay. The last step, you want to move the doors into position so that they're flush with the pocket opening.
Right.
Okay. So from there, you get your stop. And the distance between the stop and the back of the follower is the size of the block you need to install there.
Okay.
Okay. So you want that bumping so it flushes out to the door.
Gotcha.
Does that make sense?
So you have your bumper. Now you have to backfill or pack.
Yep.
Looks like about an inch.
Right. So let's go prepare that block.
Are you up against the wall?
Yep.
3/4 of an inch.
Okay, perfect. So 3/4 will position that bumper perfectly.
Yeah.
So that when it closes, it hits it
Yeah.
and flushes it out.
Okay, great.
Okay. Josh, we've got our 3/4
Yep.
block of wood. We'll move this out. obviously have to install it on the wall so it's in line with the follower.
Right.
So you can put it anywhere really on the wall.
Except
It's
right
probably
here.
better somewhere in the middle.
Yeah.
So when it hits, the door doesn't tip.
Okay.
Okay. It's unlikely to anyway because it's heavy, but
Cool there?
yep. Okay. Okay, now we're going to install that. So you do only have to do it on the follower door because this one's already caught the other door. Okay? So let's have a look.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Perfect. One last little finishing detail.
Okay.
We've got some screw caps. These are for the follower screws. It's just a nicer finish than seeing the screw head. So they just press fit into the screw. Yep. Very good. Okay. And we are good.
Love the door. It's worth all of it. The little different things that you have to do here.
Yep.
So awesome. This is like luxury.
All right, Josh. The only thing left to do now is to cut your shims.
Yep.
Okay. Insert your backer rod.
Yep.
As we saw in the last install of the multi-slide, and apply your sealant across the head and jam. Okay. Then it's watertight, weatherproof, and you get
Freaking gorgeous, man.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
It's a beautiful door.
It's one of my favorite ones. The
Yeah,
pocketing
me too.
system. Yep.